How to make money on YouTube even with 0 subscribers. My full guide. Yo, welcome back to the channel, or if this is your first time, I'm glad you landed here because this video might be the turning point for you. Today we're breaking down how to make money on YouTube. And no, I'm not talking about waiting forever to get monetized or hoping a video randomly blows up. I'm gonna show you how people, including me, are making money right now even with small channels, and how you can do it too. This is for real creators, not overnight scams. You ready? Let's go. 1. The truth about YouTube money. First, let's get one thing clear. You don't need millions of views to make money on YouTube. I know, we all see those big YouTubers flexing their AdSense revenue, showing thousands of dollars made from millions of views. But guess what? That's just one part of how YouTube pays. Truth is, there are creators making real income with just a few hundred views per video. How? Because they treat YouTube like a business, not just a platform. So let me walk you through exactly how money on YouTube works, from both the inside and outside. 2. 6 ways to make money on YouTube. There are 6 main ways people are making money on YouTube. You don't need all of them, just the right combo. Let's break them down. Ad revenue YouTube partner program. You need 1,000 subscribers plus for 1,000 watch hours or 10 meters shorts views. Pays around $1 to $10 per 1,000 views. It's great, but slow to start. Affiliate marketing. Share a link to a product. If someone buys it, you get paid. You don't even need to show your face. Example, recommend a mic, camera, editing software, earn commission. Sponsorships and brand deals. Even small channels with targeted audiences can get sponsors. If you're in a niche fitness, tech, gaming, brands love that. I got my first sponsor with just 1,500 subs. Paid me $75 for a shout-out. Selling digital products, ebooks, templates, courses, guides. I made a Notion planner and linked it in my description. It sells every week. You create it once and it sells forever. YouTube memberships or Patreon. Once you have a small loyal audience, people want to support. Offer bonus content, behind the scenes, or early access, services, and coaching. You don't have to be an expert, you just have to be a step ahead of your audience. You can offer editing services, thumbnails, consulting, right from your videos. Crazy part, you can start most of these even without being monetized. 3. What I did to start earning. Let me tell you exactly what I did. When I first started, I had maybe 30 subscribers, and half of them were probably family. But I still wanted to figure out how to turn this into income. So I started with affiliate links. I made a video about my budget mic setup. I only got like 300 views in the first few weeks, but someone clicked the link and bought the mic. I earned $7.83. That may not sound like much, but it was a light bulb moment. I was like, hey, wait, I just made money while sleeping. From there, I started adding links to every video, tools I use, books I recommend, even editing software. And it added up. After that, I created a free Notion planner and offered a paid upgraded version. People downloaded it. Now I was earning from a product I built once. Still hadn't reached 1,000 subs, but I had already made more than most creators with thousands. 4. Think like a creatorpreneur. If you want to make money on YouTube, you need to shift your mindset. You're not just a YouTuber, you're a creatorpreneur, a creator plus entrepreneur. And that means knowing what problem you solve, speaking to a specific audience, giving value first, always. YouTube is not just about views, it's about trust. If you build trust, people will listen. They'll click your links, buy your products, support your work. Think of each video as an asset, not just content. Something that works for you 24/7. 5. The system that works. Let me give you the basic system I use that works especially for small creators. Pick a niche. Not forever, just for now. It helps attract the right audience and brand deals. Create valuable content. Tutorials, tips, reviews, how-tos. Give real value. Don't just chase trends. Add affiliate links or product links. Mention them naturally. Put links at the top of your description. Capture your audience off-platform. Use an email list, link to a freebie. Later, you can promote products, services directly. Stay consistent. One video a week can be enough if it's helpful. You don't need to post daily to win. Stick to that for 90 days, and I promise you'll start seeing results. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. I've got to warn you about a few common mistakes. Chasing views instead of value. Viral doesn't always pay. Niches do. Waiting to get monetized before making money. Start with affiliate links or your own product from day one. Trying to be like every other creator. Your story, your voice, that's your superpower. Not tracking what works. Use analytics. Double down on what gets watch time or link clicks. YouTube is a long game, but if you play it smart, you can absolutely make money, even from day one. So that's it. How to actually make money on YouTube, even if you're starting from scratch. I didn't hold anything back, and I hope this helped clear up the mystery behind YouTube income. If this video helped you, do me a favor, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below where you are on your journey. Whether you got 0 subs or 1 okay, I'm rooting for you. Stay consistent, stay authentic, and remember, your next upload might change your life. Catch you in the next one.